seduce me.
Hi, I'm Landon, and that was Jay. This is Adam. We're gonna microwave things you probably shouldn't.
This is gonna be the best microwave video you've ever seen.
First up,
Let's fry Mellow Man. His body has taken the form of lava.
lunch is ready.
Let's make grape sauce.
Grapes were dumb. AI, liars. Sauce.
Yeah, it tastes like grape.
Grape juice? Grape juice. Yum.
Gummy
Wow, this is getting crazy.
I'll just keep making another candy like you said. Shit.
You try.
No.
Yeah, it was.
I wonder if it would just cook the egg.
It just turned into hard candy.
Very nice. I think you got the texture just correct, sir. Excellent cooking.
2 minutes and you get hard candy.
Yeah.
Tickle my ass. I must be dreaming.
Leave in the comments if it's your birthday. This will be dedicated to you. Off? Yeah, just swing the door open.
Sit stop, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Dinner's ready.
Come get some.
Now the caps go off.
Now they're working.
Well, that was wild.
This is getting out of control.
Your left shoe's on fire.
Thanks, Jay.
When you're on fire, he tells you, and when he's on fire, you tell him.
Yeah, tell your friends when they're on fire. It's important.
Hey, hey.
Egg it up.
Oh, no.
Oh, they're so expensive now.
I know.
We got more.
Hey.
Just the two of us.
Like toxic in here.
Scrambling their brains.
420. Holy crap. Kaboom.
Okay, what's next?
Yeah. Next time we put on safety goggles.
What's next is outside.
Ever get cold feet?
Time for some toasty toesies.
Don't go anywhere.
Because if you do,
Don't miss. Oh man, look at those clouds.
those are gorgeous.
There you go. Yeah, that overcooked the shoe a little too much. Too much. Oh, my shoe.
To see if they still fit or if it shrunk a size.
They don't fit anymore.
Can't come to the phone right now. We are microwaving stuff. And you're next. Well, that's crazy. Off my ass, it's getting hot in here, so don't go anywhere. Shit's about to blow the fuck up.
Oh, it's on fire.
Right away.
Whoa, I'm fearless landing here.
Well done. Just the way I like it.
Bring it into the camera. No, show it. I want to see it.
We should take this into a phone repair shop. See what they can do.
Whoa.
Got this, Landon.
Next up, W40. In case things get out of control.
Don't spray the GoPro. In the fucking trenches. Alright, fire now! thought we could try.
Oh, that's the heavy part. That's the
Nuclear
radiation.
Yeah.